Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with a little mid-afternoon update. It's just more compression. We're still in this 10-handle range. You can see it just kind of flattening out here on the daily. You go down, this is a 5-minute chart. You can see, here's your open, up to 62.75, down to 55, up to 61 and change. It's just, it's compressed. The nice part is when it expands, it's going to be a heck of a move. How does that look on the hourly chart? You got compression here. You got little fits and starts, but ultimately compression kind of continues. You can see it's trying to bend to the upside. They really had an opportunity here. If during the 11 o'clock hour, they could have made a higher high versus the 10 o'clock hour, that really could have opened the window to a move to the upside. That would have been probably all that would have been all she wrote for the Bears at that point. The Bears did fight back, to their credit. Bulls are coming back now, but how we close today is going to be really critical and really important as we head into tomorrow. All right, trade them well the rest of the day. I'll talk to you then.